Good morning to all. Today discuss about case study on welding in shipbuilding presented by Mr. K. Ramesh, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Building basics. When the atoms at the edge of one piece of metal come close enough to the atoms at the edge of another piece of metal for inter atom interaction to develop two pieces big one. This known as welding process. Most of most welding process applied significance here to the base material. This heat is means to bring the atoms at the edge one piece material close enough to the atoms of another piece interatomic interaction. The host metal, the hot metal of dense oxide sufficient protection of oxidation must be provided by welding process. Prevent this determined reaction with ambient oxygen. The welding process to be applied varies with the material and thickness. The term arc welding applies to a large group of welding processes that use an electric arc as source heat. The arc struck between the workpiece and tip electrode. Fill metal may used the welding current is conducted to the consumable electrode with take the form wire or rod or non-consumable electrode or consist of carbon tungsten rod. The welding position, the welding positions single square groove weld, single bowel groove weld, single V groove weld, single V groove weld with packing. The position, welding position, ASME 1, ASME 2, ASME 2F, the sealed metal arc welding. Sealed metal arc welding SMAW is formed consumable electrode rod converted by flexing, sealing the weld area. It is known as stick welding. The electrode rod consists the wire surrounded by silicate binder and powder materials such as fluorides, carbonates, metal alloys, and cellulose. The covering serve as a source of arc, stabilizer, and vapor to display air as well as metal slag product. Support and alternate the hot weld metal. Electrode are available in diameter of 2 mm to 8 mm. The smaller diameter are used with low current of joining in thin sections. Limited access work and weighting the welding in the vertical and overheat welding position. The electrode cross sectional area millimeter square the current density and must be optimized. SMAW process yield as deposition efficiency of less than 60% splatter is relatively high. Submerged arc welding. Submerged arc welding direction flex electrode hard conductive molten slag solidified slag solidified weld metal gas metal arc welding GMAW 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 involves use of metal arc and consumable electrodes with internally added shield gas. It is known as MIG or wire feed welding. It is various operation process with wide section arc molds, electrode size, shielding, gas mixture. Can be used welding metal with thickness 0.5 mm and above. With the proper procedure, welding can be performed in all positions. The shielding gas is often CO2 mixed with argon or several added small quantities O2 up to are sometimes mixed with argons. GMA GMA gas metal arc welding employ either solid electro wire or an electrode with an CO power material. Electrode size range from 0.5 mm to 3.2 mm. Weight varies from 0.5 to 27 kg. The basic equipment consists of welding gun, air or water cooled, electrode and electrode feed unit, welding control, a power supply, shielding as cable and hose, and case of water cooled and torch water circulation system. Gas metal arc welding, spray metal source 1917 welding guidelines aircraft supplement. The source of adapter from Cullinan 1978 welding guidelines aircraft supplement. Flex code arc. Flex code arc. Flex core arc means the process F flex code arc uses same type of power source with feeder and welding gun as a gas metal arc welding. However, the flex code arc welding used tubular electrode welding obtained it is gas from electrode. The flux in the core stabilized in the arc contain the scavenger slag and vapor forming ingredients. The gas sealed fixed flux code arc welding electrode must be supplemented with shielding gas supply. Electrode size range of from 0.5 mm to 4 mm. FSB fix, flex code arc welding require more electrode extension GMW due to higher current density. It is extension is not sufficient. It can be created due to high current density position. The presence slag provider product to be used outdoors. Electrogas welding. Electrogas welding is a mechanized arc welding process that utilizes either flex core or solid electrodes. The shielding gas may be applied from external source, or produced by flux, or both. Electrogas welding, it is used to hold thickness the vertical position. The electrogas welding machine are usually automatic to maintain a constant arc and vertical movement of welding head. 76 mm thick is electrode. The electrode machine creates high as 400 ampere with solid electrodes and 750 750A with flex core electrodes. Gas tungsten arc welding. In comparison, the non-consumable tungsten electrode which is sealed from atmosphere by externally added gas welded can be made or without the filler metal. It is also known as tag welding. GTAW can be used welding position and can be used very thin materials less than 1 millimeter. It is suitable for automated and robotic application. The shielding gas is usually inside the participate chemical reaction. Argon or argon helium mixture is used. Some chemical reaction disabled to sometimes hydrogen nitrogen is added. The greatest disadvantages, it is low productivity. Stud welding, plasma arc welding transferred, assembling from plate. SW is usually join in numerical device, usually fasteners. This metal, this process utilizes the arc track between the applied without filler material with or without shielding gas. Pressure is applied when frying surface are additively added. And the studs are usually surrounded by graphite or ceramic or partial shielding. The arc created by stud welding creates molten metal and application of pressure creates a uniform cross section. For a stud of 9.5 millimeter, typically arc time is 1 by 3 seconds. The SW skill requirements is minimal and the process lends itself to robotic welding. A limitation of the process involves the use of brittle base metal such as a cast iron in which metal shrinkage can be tolerated and heat affected zone cracking occurs. Stud welding, plasma arc welding. Plasma arc welding construction journal, construction nozzle, orifice gas, shielding gas workpiece, transformed arc, non-transformed arc, assembling sequence of plate, assembling sequence of plate, curved section, volume section, the flat section, ship design section, black layout from the layout blacks used for chair, shipyard layout, stock area, plate lifting and plasma cutting. Marking the specific position, the marking the plates. Submerged arc welding of plates. Temporary welding. Stiffener final welding. Sub assembly examples: panel life, panel and bulkhead line. Description: TTS small panel and bulkhead line will be produce small panels and bulkheads with 7 to 12 meters width and with stiffness mounted in the selected horizontal direction. In an 8-hour shift, 8 workers will be produce 1.5 to 2 panel within 12 to 16 stiffness or additional web brackets. The panel bulkhead line has specialized mobile gantry with swivel mounted clamping, yoke, alignment and molding stiffness if any selected horizontal direction. Panel bulkhead line blocks, paint hall, paint the specific paint hall. The journal is from Marin's Marine Engineering. The very useful the main process of this process. Thank you all.